Hello, I'm Maggie Stephenson, and welcome to Schlegel Design Remodels, Episode 3 of Elements of Bathroom Design. So today we are at the Neenan showroom to talk about one of my favorite parts of bathroom design, the plumbing and fixtures. To start with bathtubs, there are built-in bathtubs that go in an alcove, a 3-wall installation. Within that style, there are many options. We do typically see these in more of a standard secondary bath, very kid-friendly bathtubs. You can get different heights, so it's easier to get in and out as well. Another great bathtub option is a freestanding. These also come in a lot of different finishes and styles. Acrylic is generally in the lower price range. You can also get fiberglass. There's cast iron that starts to get a little more expensive. There's different metals. There's natural stone, there's engineered stone, even lightweight concrete. You can get jets, chromotherapy, aromatherapy. The sky's the limit with freestanding bathtubs. It's important to pick a faucet that will fit the installation. The wall mount is a very good option. The freestanding gives you a lot more flexibility and where you can put that faucet. Now for a not so glamorous part of the bathroom design is the toilet. There are a lot of options with toilets. Options are height, 2-piece versus 1-piece. There's also a lot of technology with toilets now. You can get one with heated seats, bidet functions. A skirted trapway is also a very popular look now. It helps clean up the look of the toilet, and it also makes cleaning easier. So one of the heavily used fixtures in a bathroom is going to be your sink. There are, again, 3 more common installation types. Here we see vessel. There's also the drop-in sink. And the most popular nowadays is your undermount sink. Again, a lot of different color options along with finish. There are solid colors, and especially in vessel bowls now, you can get patterns, they're printed on. You can also get embossed details, really get a very unique style with a vessel bowl. There are 4 main types of faucets. With a vessel bowl, it's important to select a taller faucet or a wall mount faucet that will reach far enough and tall enough to hit where you want it to in that sink. So with a drop-in or undermount sink, you have a lot more options with faucet style. There is probably the most common, especially in a primary bath, a widespread, which is usually 8 inches apart. A center set faucet, which is also called a 4-inch center set because the holes are drilled 4 inches apart. Single hole faucets are very popular now. Wall mount faucets are really nice and versatile. You can use that with really just about any sink. And it cleans up the countertop when you do a wall mount faucet. Now we get to talk about the fun part, the style. There are 3 main categories. We've got transitional, traditional, and modern. There are many variations in each category. So once you've selected your style and function, it's important to hone in on a finish. And that's going to go throughout the bathroom typically. Mixing and matching is also okay. That's very popular now. Chrome is kind of the most common throughout the decades. Gold, brushed gold is very popular now as well, but polished versus matte versus brushed is also important to decide on. Finally, we're going to talk about shower fixtures. There are a lot of options depending on the function. Again, depending on which bathroom we're working on. If it's the primary bath, typically we will put a little more bells and whistles in there than a secondary bathroom. There is rain showers for a more spa experience. A hand shower works really well. You can also have a hand shower on an adjustable arm to vary the height of where that shower head will hit. It's very important to have good water pressure with your shower head, no matter how many you have. Body sprays are also a great option for more of a spa experience, and you can also add steam to your shower. So with the faucet that you've selected, typically most manufacturers will have a style that will coordinate with that. Again, you can mix and match styles as well, but that is the best way to guarantee the finish will match if you stick within the same manufacturer. To expand on Andrea Stone's selections of countertops and cabinets, I've selected a few faucets that I think would go wonderfully with them. The brushed gold Brizo faucet looks stunning on the black granite countertop. With the Cambria countertop, it's got a little sparkle in it, and I think the two-tone matte black and chrome really complement that well. Here we're a little more traditional with the cabinet style with the stained walnut, so I chose a polished nickel with a cross handle to go a little more traditional. We've reached the halfway point of our bathroom series, and we've covered a lot. In episode 4, we'll cover one of the more visually impactful products in a bathroom, tile.